What's up, everyone? So, I've been getting some feedback on my recent videos, and people have been telling me to do something more fun or exciting or something that people want to watch, and I'm like, uh, alright. I decided to do the Volcano Chicken Spicy Noodle Challenge. It's crazy hot, spicy, it says. So, and I don't love spicy food. Like a little bit of spicy is okay, but I feel like this. I've heard that this is really spicy, and just by looking at this bag right now, my mouth is desalivating. Is that a word? Desalivate? Well, that's what it's doing. My saliva is just getting sucked in just by looking at this. I'm gonna go cook this up, and I'll be right back. All right, I got the food steaming. And when I was cooking it, the steam was actually hurting my nose. So I know this is gonna be spicy. But I got a tall glass of chocolate milk here. I got a strawberry ice cream cone from Japan. It's like a Japanese soft serve strawberry. But alright. Now excuse me if I sweat or cough or sneeze or Alright, here we go. First grab. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I need this. Okay. Okay. It's still a challenge. I mean, the challenge still counts if I'm drinking milk as I eat, right? I don't know if there's a rule against that, but that's not cool. That's not a good rule. I think what's good would be if I just eat this fast, just scarf it down, and then. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. The first bite was bad, but it's good. It's good. Oh. 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 Oh man. Oh. Oh. Chocolate. Oh. 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 got this. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I need some. Mm. 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 I think that's doing the trick. It's gotta be cold. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. By the way, this is strawberry. It's pink. You can't really see it, but because of light. Oh my god. There's no way. There's no way people eat like tens of these. There's no way. I don't get how they're doing it. Oh. Oh. Okay. Almost. I got this. Look. This much left. Oh, just FYI, this was 2 bags. Oh. It's 2 bags of fire. Oh. 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 You know what sounds good? A milkshake. It'd be perfect. We can drink it and it's cold. Oh. Oh my god. I don't care. I'm not gonna breathe. I'm just gonna do it. The last bite. Whew. Ugh. I'm not doing one of those for a long time. Spicy challenge? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh. Oh no. The cone's all soggy, so I just gotta push the ice cream out. Oh my god. Oh. Well, I did it, guys. I did it. Now, I hope that was fun and exciting for you guys. It was for me. I mean, damn. My mouth is on fire. I need to get more ice cream. Alright. Ben and Jerry. Good. I never had to eat so much ice cream because I had to. Like, I don't want to eat this, but I have to. Hope you enjoyed this video. And any recommendations on what kind of challenge to try next or what to eat next, I'm all for it. If anything, I need some ideas because I'm starting to run out. I'm only at video 5. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay classy. Good night.